Kaselko Foundation kabade ka way na kaseng 3 months ngobha kabala debru ban soye ka Scholar Memorandum of Understanding MOU bat ki bor district ka ribhoy na ka banta bante ki health sub center ki bade katkum ka juk start ba menta banum shakta lada penthut ka bor maryang bakinong tre ka tnar ka kwat ka khia ki don kam me ka boarding ka batikna banum shakta ki pat ba hakapang ka shitom Hakaba mentakas ngi Rio Trik Naiwing Kenika Foundation haka jinga trailang bat ka sorkar jela lengba ka Aspirational District Program NITI AYOG kala yo ban pli pat bano ya ka kamera penkha khon labor room and maternity ward ha Umroi Health and Wellness Center ka badekat kum ka juk start bamenta bat khnang banum shakta haka por ba kha khlung bat ban penklan ru ya ka jing sumar ba kerpang naga benta ki khanarit ya ka tega jaka balate ya ketika kamera penkha khon labor room and maternity ward kadai kabal ais ngobha na kabalang Presbyterian Umroi ya kanika kamera penkha khon lawan ban pli pat ba ada uba daman ba lamare MLA ko Umroi constituency ha kajing sakhilang uba arangkan sai kharbuki MDC Umroi constituency URP upadhyaya deputy commissioner Ribhoy Umanish Kumar assistant commissioner Ribhoy ke Dr TS Momen dbmnHO nongpo uba PB Shillong, Chairman Umroi Dorbar Pelun, BDO ke Umroi CNRD Block, u Ajen Kia Hande, Program Manager Selco Foundation, ke Kong Mebaris Camp Shangpliang, Project Coordinator Selco Foundation, ki Officer, kinong terai na katanat ka kuat kia, kinong Syarai Balang, jaga Balang Presbyterian Umroi, lembat kinong Yalam Shnong, jaga Than Umroi, ki Asha, bat Anggan Wadi, lembat kiwe-kiwe.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
When we look at the health practitioner will be standing.
Tetap sih.
Indoors, and for walls we have used AAC blocks, which again provide some insulation. We've considered the window openings on the side of the bed itself, considering the position of the baby warmer where it has to be placed, and even storage for medical supplies. And another important facility here is the sink itself, which
Jaga Aspirational District Program Kabalaton Sisay Kemensim Banjarap Ban Penurlong Bansya Yagane Kajaka Kapan Kun Kulung Kabagi Om ke Labor Room Badhiro Kumjo Ngai Dibli Jaga Selco Foundation Kabalaton Jaga Kemensim Banjarap Ban Penurlong Ban Penyo Yagane Kajaka Kapan Kulung ke Labor Room Nah kerman sekamiro bahagi por kisi bansawan binang la susu panok seniang banjerap ban penpoi ban penai ya kicingirap ki beper apa kini ke Than ke Jong ni ke Report District Tagaju ko poro. Kumapina ay ko to memorandum. Ban penkelano, ban upgrade no. Ya kane ka sub center sa ka PHC, ka primary health center. Hoy nga kum MLA, local MLA, jong kane ka kososi kane ka than ka dong sune. Ngan kit kya bagan wat kilat lenti ngan tristom bangikat bagloy bala nginla ban upgrade ya kane ka sub center sa ka PHC. Ngan kit kya ngan wat ibot ngan ayat met banginla ban penulong ban upgrade ya kane ka sub center sa ka PHC.
As a part of aspirational district program from Niti Aayog Government of India and also the contribution from Selco Foundation. Last year when we were formulating on what to do with the award money, and I was fortunate enough to meet Roshanji from Selco, who is not here, and then we came up with this idea on how to improve the institutional delivery percentage in our district, how to provide a better health facility, better health care in the field of maternal and child health care facilities, and Selco Foundation, who is also the knowledge partner in this particular project, they came up with this unique design which is made up especially for Ribhoi district, considering the various geographical factors, various weather climate conditions and all. And today, during inauguration, I was quite happy and satisfied with the work which has come up, and we are having 8 such labor rooms, 2 kind of designs. This is the larger one. Remaining ones are also about to complete in next 1 month most probably, and I hope that such kind of project will go a long way in improving the healthcare facilities of the district. And especially in this particular area, I know that there are certain things which we still have to do, like for example the access, how to reach ambulance to this point, also the staff quarters for our ANMs, for our MLHP Kong, MLHP, she always used to remind me about staff quarters, about the medical waste, about this, that. So I always used to tell, and today also I told her that, okay, let's first start with this thing, then slowly we'll develop, and hopefully the road will also come up, access road will also come up, and so that's all from my side, and I would like to thank our
Ngakertek mi baris kam shampliam bat ngade project coordinator ha Selco Foundation. Selco Foundation ka sedang ha usnam arhajar shipho bat ha Meghalaya ngila sedang mentrekam ha usnam arhajar kanyo ha livelihood bat ha health sectors. Te ka vision lane ka jungthu jungi ka dei bangin la ban penduna ya ka jingduk bat bingila ban train na bentak ban penbhaya kamarian lingba ka decentralized renewable energy ne ka sustainable renewable energy lingba ka boarding solar. Te hakane ka state Meghalaya ngilala ban solar power lane ban ai boarding solar haki arspa nyok teliki government health centers, but hari boy ngilala ban solar power load ya baroki health centers kata sau pratili. Te hakane ka sni baminta ngilala ban inaugurate ya ka Umroi sub center labor room but ka maternity ward. Te hakane ka sub center kane ka labor room ka nishna kata ka rukom ka balong ka climate resilient room lane ka room ka ba kaya day nishna nani design hakata karukom kaban katkum ka jinglong jaka sun beneng ti kalong kumha ka jing katkum ka jing shit dan ka jing krian kata ka thermal insulation milashna ya kanika labor room tika tunum bat kanika ceiling milashna hakata karukom bakala ban yada na kanika jinglong ka sun neng la ka day ka jing krian dan ka jing shit. Hakani ka labor room nila solar power, nila air iki medical equipments kumka radiant warmer, suction apparatus, berka spotlight, ka peniyat, lingba ka boarding solar. Lakna kita ni dongro iki labor beds, ki delivery delivery kit, but ki footstool, but kum ta terten. Tikani ka labor room ki don lightly ki kamera, ka way ka delivery room ka ba ki nongkha ki tha kani ka room. Second part ka maternity ward, lani ka recovery room. Ka ba ki dakila dep kha nibu under observation 48 hours kila mansyong ini bentia ko kani ka recovery room. But ka way pada ka don ka waiting room ka bade shabat ka ba kini ki patients kila ban syong shabat haba kila ban up lalani syong kani ka waiting area ka bala an petsuki ki syong bikin kha. Te kunjurung ni don ya kani ka sing ko ka ni ka living room ka ban yarap na benta kini ki ANMs dan ki MLHPs bikin la ban pinkoi la dara adep kani ka delivery. We don't know ya kani ka bathroom mo na ni ka toilet na benta ki patients kiba one ban na ni kilong kami kiba one ban pinkha kalo ha kani ka bathroom na ni ka toilet.
Trip lala on pendap lain.
Okay. Te hari boy mengalok ong kidon practically ki labor room modern labor rooms ki bani shna. Te ngelayo man inaugurate ya kani ka Umroi sub center labor room and maternity ward. Te sahnyo tili ka bani dang shna but ki don ha ka 30% ka ding shna. Te in probably next month lashmanai lani ha ubnai January nila man pendap lagi ki labor room construction.